Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macarons simple. Start by preparing aged egg whites and weighing ingredients precisely, then sift almond flour and powdered sugar together. Whip the whites to glossy peaks, fold in dry ingredients with gentle strokes, and pipe even rounds on a lined tray. Rest the shells until a skin forms, bake gently, and fill with a smooth buttercream or ganache for balanced sweetness. In this video, I will show how to make macarons simple. Focus on whipping whites to medium-stiff peaks, then master macaronage so batter flows slowly like lava when lifted. Fold gently until batter spreads evenly but holds shape, and avoid overmixing to prevent flat shells. Use consistent piping size and tap trays to release air bubbles, then allow shells to form a delicate skin before placing in the oven. In this video, I will show how to make macarons simple. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy kitchen trips, grab Little Tree's black ice for a fresh ride to and from the grocery store. It makes errands feel fancy. If this video helps, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides. Look in the description for the product link and other deals, then relax, because now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make macarons simple. Bake shells at a steady, moderate temperature to form feet and prevent browning. Prepare fillings like buttercream or ganache ahead, then pair shells by size for consistent sandwiches. Chill assembled macarons for at least a few hours, ideally 24, to let flavors meld and textures soften slightly, which yields that classic tender chew and delicate snap everyone loves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.